finishing off from the first video, just do simple crochets on all the stitches till the end. Like so. When you come to the end, make 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Just don't worry about the loose ends, you can just work your stitch above them. As you can see, it creates a little bend, so it will look neat on the border. The same way you have to make single crochets around the border. When you meet the corners, make sure to stitch 3 single crochets to make the curve. And I'll meet you at the end. Like so. And now chain 2 and start making double crochets. You don't need to work the 3 stitches for double crochets, you can just work through all the stitches you see below. And once you're done, go another round on the bottom line, because we're going to make some tassels and leave it as a decoration. So once you're done, you can just fasten it off. Take a needle and just pass the thread through at the stitches. It will not show. Even if you pull, it will not come out, so it's secure. Now we're going to make the top part. I need about 5 centimeters. So for that, same way, attach the thread and make double crochets till you meet the size you require. I'm going to give you a little trick. So let's say you're using only one wool thread and you don't have another line for a double thread. You can just use the same wool. You just have to find the middle part like so. It can be confusing, but if you find the middle part, it won't tangle, it will just come out so easy and smooth, and you can just work. Okay, so now I have the 5 centimeter I require. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to work the pattern we worked before, the box stitch. So as you can see, when you come up, the count changes. So here in the last one, I'm just going to chain 4 and then continue the work. Here I need around 6 centimeters for the behind part. So I'm going to do my design till I reach that. Once you reach the required size, just do single crochets and finish off. And now we're going to stitch the combining parts. So here I need 5 centimeter to 6 centimeter. So the same way, attach the thread, and I'm just making double crochets till I reach my size. And this is what it looks like. And go ahead, fold them and stitch them through. Make sure to stitch them nearby so it won't come off. And once you're done, the same way you can just fasten off and use a needle to put the threads through. Do the same way on the other side, and this is how it looks. And you can just make simple 10-strand tassels and attach if you wish to give it a little neat look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give a like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.